Oba Facebook na so sisi weekendi and summer koso. The amount for bisapa no mo hwani mo pass sen e koye no EP animu a Ghana's very own the man Mohammed Kudus ejinidin ewo West Ham game on the pim so demo na anya bia no ase Newcastle for wini anasa Mohammed Kudus Bobby beto na nima na su wanyangan na demu a Kudus Mohammed to me anya sa draw no diama West Ham now before the game Stoneboy ekoko PM park na so no kasa before no so Kudus be 2 goals no ka che Kudus o be 2 eti bon Tottenham sa no afena camera say na twako Stoneboy na I'm saying I was right we Ghana ya big artist pan na be gina mo park ne so a where did this ano and I heard live on Facebook was Stoneboy na gene ne singlet to mo say sremachu Jinsing no huri koba or kodi saying one bunny say one chap say yes Ghana player no Ghana number 1 ha they live on Facebook there tikamra I want ya born no cry chano munyi na Stoneboy na Stoneboy jini dinwo park no so no say that is him cool 10 spirit no and abo he no tiboni cry Stoneboy nim no say na chama ya dan what he mudemu nim dia na ba kokoro bi sa ne nua no say no di bet na so ni bet Ghana top participant no obeta ne nua chi no ka che ne say obe shed 2 goals and say one fana mamu ntama na ma me she 2 na aja oje 1 bi ba short ne na no den oh short on the any ano den pa ne ade panyan ne demu anya samke to akran West Ham 4 to me anya draw and it was courtesy the man Mohammed Kudus ya ko sa no mu ne ya ka won sam kakransa na me fa wansa okay me fa wansa and in the EPL the course on no Ghana interesting team Mohammed Kudus dia no and me dey twasi wo hono mu ansa me twa me ho abasa beto aso Kudus after the game sem ka to dwa echem se na ne age ya san bisa no Stoneboy one sam krama ne ka san Stoneboy the lack ne bae na ne age se West Ham atimenya draw no or hwani say game na ye bɔ ne sa na obenya chances kakra ne benya na opportunity wo no akasa de ba West Ham de bebre na wona widie mu a wo de be boa pa Kudus Mohammed after game ni
feels very good of course but most importantly it's made a difference in the team which was us getting a point so even though we wanted the 3 points I was happy to score my first goal and most importantly we got a point out of it we are not satisfied we aim even higher like we wanted 3 points today but we settle for this and take the point and then focus on the next game after the break. We go into every game with the same mentality and same approach. So we wanted 3 points, we couldn't, but it was good to get the draw.
And even better to get that goal with Stoneboy in the crowd there to support you.
Yeah. He actually gave me 2 goals and I scored one of it. So yeah, good luck for him today. Come to the stadium, you know. He brought the luck. I feel there's still a lot under my belt coming. So, but definitely the team, the coaches, everyone around, you know, they helped me a lot to settle in and it feels like a family already, you know. And the fans have been amazing as well. So credit to everyone around the whole team for helping me settle quite well. But I'm still learning and then I feel there's more for me to give.
Way and Sama Kudus Mohammed, what you to a child, there's still a lot for me to give you. Baby, now, social meberti Mohammed Depa. Hey, Stoneboy, anybody. And to Kudus Mohammed and somebody to Jana Mamiko Siwa, I'm a messan Baba Twaso, or Kudus and Salmon Hall. Now, in the Ghanaian Premier League, your ball Ramo match day 4, and a Jana Star Strafie Nano, Fiera Ball, Brecum Chelsea by a goal to nail, and Tianone de Acoso, one more, and of course, our PMO Memendanwa, Nebe Chem United, the General 9 so now, Washington Kwambiasko with my Bogum Tifiesa, and my dear Sporting Club of Vimodi Africa, no Baba Ball. Bechem United the 4 coming one. Bechem Kanimu Bakwa crowds of Fogni Dreams FC game no. 0-0 at the Accra Sports Stadium out of Lions. Any but for Quatano game near 0-0 still but for Quatano a share league yasi on Luzu Wajitebu Nabo so Karela and the Accra Great Olympics game near 0-0. Bibiani goals out Boadi but 3 goals to nil and no any game back what teams goes to Bamupa. In Swatemazo Tena Feature Samantes Bo Samantes Akabakwa Samantes and to Mianti Nations and in Legon City's game no so 1-1 and yeah training Musa Lions near Sante Kotoko Pem so ASR game no more Accra Sports Stadium to way and it's a Manchester one summer yetia yadi bro and anopa yeka so focus some Accra Sports Stadium bana we ya so focus train draw no how to focus coach started Kasano was in some to just chale wabre problem power problem was see and say strikers ne strike any morning ye Ramos on the to so Ramos on Shadanya papa bi obin junior kwada nye they say dia wabre na on research na ye finfina ye anim ho na aka te se o ho no osu yam se no se de nkra no be ya fa sa asem yo.
I'm proud of the team, how they give a reaction on the last game before this one. So, yeah, I'm proud of my boys. You can also see that we missed something, and we missed scoring players. And that's what I said a long time. I'm looking for somebody who is behind Ramos. I think that's the problem what we have. And we have no problems anymore on the midfield or in the defending, but you can see what is the problem. It's easy. It's different, friendly games competition. It's totally different. Because don't forget opponents want to beat Hearts of Oak every match. So they play hard, no problem. So we must solve the problem.
Way any and someone has for coach at the to and of course Martin Koopman seminar make a no chile say kwan bia so no say mutimi adwuma so mutimi solve problem no just a team bia na to focus be asa no yire ne ho bo no just has fa no ye ho bibi ye be di a kira se ne won sam besi akọ sa so focus betima nyanti do to na sa won sam se after 4 games for quarter no and age table no so so with 8 points Lagos City to so me no I was 7 points so Ateman to so miensa I was 6 points some test to so 9 I was 6 and enum ne bibia ni goal stars with 6 points. Adriana so was 6 Olympics so was 6 na edidi so sa na ade I want to share House of Folk ni nua kotoko House to so 15th with 4 points kotoko eto so 18th with 2 points it ne se kotoko ebuka mu dia ware because ehwe table no se kotoko na are kwata tene se want me an sha Lions ya obebre pa ewo league nim sense wo sha se se Bruce Jonan oni kokko no na no corner sa no nti me mo nye jam but ne Lions skin be fe papa kotoko baby odano nye papa enti so pe bibia ye dia and so Shakra Lions we and say na won semesi atia so far Evans Adomako of Kerala FC na about 3 goals Steven Amankona so about 3 goals winning 2 players so much our top scorer shot ne so you don't want some so pro na no pay live on Adom 106.3 FM Sports page 1 channel so mama MTN kan won san so na ponsen for the F pack and BX tablets kire mu den DPS Industries Limited and so everbo roofing ne so ama eti odan wa ya wie no obebo so DPS for na say one day for from na bibia timi koye the big game bash over the weekend in England the bash na Arsenal and Manchester City the prem so for so many attempts and tendency say Manchester City at now Arsenal no Pep Guardiola the ene the so pebie and tendency say for the first time back to back defeat now Wolves cheno in the Carabao Cup Newcastle channel Wolves are best channel and I'm a patrol Arsenal so best channel back to back and 10 sisa it is you Pep Guardiola akache man for Pep na fie be fa de Guardiola say obi ansi abotre we are still about season as season you know after 7 games was I feel ye born kakra anti munsi abotre why you know last season cry a chance na so we chire oba bi so ba gye tenya feel na mbemi alambe obi aso.
Congratulations Arsenal for the victory. Tight game. We start really well the first minutes. They start really well in the beginning, the second half. Gratitude for that guys. They give everything. So they afford, and I know how disappointing they are because we are not used, but it's football. It's happened. So for statistics, we don't have to win the Premier League. So no team ever have won 4 in a row. So for statistics, it didn't happen, but we are in October. Sometimes it's good going behind. It's not the first time we're behind for the contenders there up front. Last season we're much behind than here, but the season is long. Recover people coming back and try to break immediately as soon as possible against tough opponents like it's Brighton United. You know the situation and yeah, continue.
Way in Pep Guardiola, one on a coach in Manchester City in Samoa. What you two just say October mo anya October near World League to be about Mikel Arteta near coach Arsenal. Arteta soon somebody to try to say and yache. Say what's the best team in the world? That's now on your own say City are the best team in the world. To children no Sadi and
a great feeling. Obviously you could sense, it's been so many years without beating them and today we have beat, in my opinion, without a question of doubt, the best team in the world, and we've done it in a great way, because there were moments that we have to suffer, but as well we have moments where we show real determination and desire and belief to beat them. So really happy. Today, again, really proud. I was proud on Wednesday when we lost the game, and I'm really proud today as well to be part of that team. But they were all dancing and super happy. They were international breaks. The mood is always much better. They're going to have a few days off, the ones that they're not involved. And I just sense everybody till the next game against Chelsea away with the right spirit and the right emotion. And it's great. So really happy.
really happy. Mikel Arteta and somebody too, 8 years in here, to mention Manchester City, 8 year winless run now, but I really say Mikel Arteta near just at way, and then I want some see in that big game, no beer any woman, but I did be see Manchester United, upon 90th minute, in see what EPL anymore. Say, 90th minute, what lose, what remember, say 2 goals. Ya pon wie kikiri McTominay pa na ba kwatom pa no asad ni tia prima to a Manchester United ba back be winning over Brentford for one way stubborn pa City for na for me chi wa che last season City show bia no omo nko na omo ma City anhom City born a home and away now. It will chin down and a boy heading. Scott McTominay and 2 goals no at the Manchester United after say Matthias Jensen in the 26th minute to me enya that goal for Brentford and now customer we near and say kiki ebebuka mu a wo mo elusi and Eric Ten Hag and Yaji.
You have to have a little bit luck. Or a lot of luck, but you have to make the luck. And Scott came in with that attitude. He was right on spot. He was so front-footed. He was so determined to score that goal, and he made the luck. And today he's the mirror of the team. They were so determined to win this game, and that's why we won.
We were so determined to win this game. That's why we won. Eric Ten Hag and somebody told you on Manchester United 2. Brentford 1. Now Chelsea, Chelsea win for the first time in 6 months. Back-to-back victories for Chelsea and Tensi. Pochettino by war braga zanga win number manager by Chelsea fans at to shame Pochettino sin and Yaje Jumano a work in progress.
The team was good. The performance was fantastic. I think they deserve the whole credit. Football is about performance, and if we want to be consistent and fight for big things, we need to be consistent every single game. We have a very talented squad, but at the moment, for different reasons and different circumstances, we cannot use all the potential of the squad. Many things that against us and bad luck in some situations. But I think with time we are going to to be in the position that we want to be, and of course with all the player fit. It's going to be a massive competition.
Well, Mauricio Pochettino, one on our manager in Chelsea in summer. What are you two, Janano? TCC, Prano, Asiedu to talk to Boadi, and the Anton Fans about Luton Town. Tonight, if you're Tottenham Hotspur, Vimano, so Mickey Van der Ven Airport. They only go for Tottenham winning 1-0 over Luton. Never tonight, if you win 3-0 over Bournemouth, Fulham, about Sheffield United, coming and Sacha for Timo Baku, William Munina, goes Nibi at the airport. More Chelsea, quite away, couple 4-1 over Burnley, and it's Pochettino, and then summer to Crystal Palace was 0-0 against Nottingham Forest. West Ham United Newcastle game. I can't come once match order. Mohamed Kudus near the equalizer for West Ham on board 2-2 against Newcastle. Wolves near Aston Villa 1-1 at Brighton. Etna Finn Liverpool bought 2-2. Mohamed Salah and then 2 goals in Liverpool, and of course Arsenal beating Manchester City by a goal to nil. Wayne EP and on somewhere. Tottenham on top 20 points. Second Arsenal 20. Man City Tossumi and some 18. Liverpool Tosso 9 with 17 points. Wayne EP and on some Piemo. I want Spanish La Liga. To say Barcelona they see form draw in that game. I want Granada de Pium Sono, and it was the man Lamine Yamal, the youngest player was in the La Liga. Small boy danger, and of course some about 2-2 against Granada. Early on, Real Madrid the fourth match. Nice swap community. Pa Madrid Airport Sasuna by 4 goals to nil. Jude Bellingham no go so yajma. Masa Jude ne de. Madrid and Tom Kakra. Vinicius Jr. Bogo, Yoselu Bogo, but it was 2 goals for Jude Bellingham in that game. And Real Madrid is winning 4-0 over Sasuna. And Atletico Madrid is now supposed to that by 2 goals to 1. Now on the standings, Real Madrid 24 points for that's all. Girona Tossumi 22, Atletico Tosso, Barcelona Tossumi 21, Atletico Tosso 9 with 19 points. Italian Serie A over the weekend, Koye Pa, Chesenya Semketo Akrako Piemwa, but Lukaku Gusu Show. Lukaku share 2 goals to my Roma for no. As a failure, a common bar. Italy. Yes, some winning 4-1 over Cagliari. Fiorentina airport Napoli by 3 goals to 1 by Victor Osimhen. Airport a penalty for Napoli. Eti ningina kwesi there about Vim and Vogo. Omuguso ko manim the AC Milan winning 1 over Genoa, and Juventus winning 2-0 over Torino, and Inter Milan airport 2-2 on the Bologna game on the Pium Solenti. And really Koso wa Italy. You don't want some so eba Paris Saint-Germain winning on game on the Boadi of France by 3 goals to 1. And see Tanabuko for you right Yatanasi chinsem nyina so obebro de yekoso koroko game no so de bepiem bia no enso ye de bebro MTN everywhere you go my MTN app no so na say open so ye bibia MTN no say ye no enye ja hokra fa ho App Store, Play Store, download them my MTN app no na fa ho ji bibia mo ampon say fa the F pack and the BX tablets can one pay near some idea bro pin me kwa F pack BX tablets try na ho to one na second bia so o man saka na bibia timi ko ye bebo dan so DBS Industries Limited or roofing and concrete and steel solution DBS Industries Limited you makoi e de sia konkon near some idea bro you matala jakwa champion let's go Stone Rata Manora Rafael Professor Wallace James or anybody Makion me producers I don't know kai set what nanka sabeka Kegyiwa ne ho Asiedu Boadi enwumre ye besan hia koso ati dwa so nsam